Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV. This is Coach Adrian, your friend, expert, here to help support you along the way, to provide you with tips and tools to help you turn things around, maximize your chances of success along the way. The message that I want to convey to you today is that you cannot change your ex. You cannot try to change someone else. And you cannot try to change your significant other for that matter. What you can do is look to change yourself in order to change the way that they see you or to change the way that they behave themselves. You can inspire them through your own actions. But in order to do that, you cannot seek to change them directly. So the key message that I'm trying to convey to you today is that if you really truly want to maximize your chances of success, focus on the things that you actually can control. You cannot control what your ex does. You cannot control what your ex thinks, okay? And trying to cut corners and look for a magical word or statement to shift the way that they see you and to erase months and months of negative behavior is not going to happen. We believe in hard work. We believe in personal development. And we believe in helping you become that person that you can be to inspire the one you love to want to be with you. And if you've been on this channel, if you've been watching our videos, you know that this is the foundation of our philosophy. And it works. We help people all over the world turn things around in their relationships after having peace of mind and happiness, after choosing to live with purpose and to shift the way they live their lives, to build new, healthier patterns of behavior in their day-to-day. Because that's what works. You can inspire the world around you, including the one you love, to see you in your best light by taking action and by truly living out the type of life that you can be proud of and building new habits and behaviors along the way. Because if you do that, you're going to inspire them to want to be with you, inspire them to want to partake in the day-to-day with you, to share some of the happiness and positivity and success that you're experiencing. And you're also going to inspire them to want to be their best selves, to seduce you. That's where the magic truly happens. But in order to do so, I need you to really truly focus on the things that you can control and not try to change your ex. Because that won't work. You're going to be frustrated. You're going to make a lot of mistakes along the way. You will lose the one you love, and you're going to be miserable for it. So please take this advice to heart and take action the right way. As always, I wish you all the very best. Keep fighting the good fight. Like this video if I fueled your fire, and see you soon.